Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin. Okay, so all right, let's get in the short term real quick and then we'll like zoom out a little bit. But on Dogecoin, I'm on the 4 hour time frame right now and we have resistance, resistance, support, 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 support. We're bouncing in between these two trend lines right there. We have that support line and then we have the support line down here and then the resistance line on the top. It looks like we're testing that resistance right now. I'm wondering if we're going to be on the verge of a breakout soon. I think we need to break .339, the Fibonacci, the 38% Fibonacci retracement level, and then we can start pumping to the upside. I think if we break this trend line right there, going to the upside, we can start by dragging from the top to the bottom, maybe somewhere in the middle of that pattern, drag that to the breakout, and that gives us a target around .356. But I think if we break the Fibonacci retracement level, the .339 Fibonacci, the 38%, then I think the next spot that I'd be looking at is the 28% all the way up at .394, which means that we could be looking at, I mean, in my opinion, about another 16%. I've been trading this movement up and down over here. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on. I've been trading this movement up and down. I gotta get my car started. But yeah, so I think if we could break this level, the next spot that I'd be looking at is right here. The other thing that I wanted to zoom out, like I was saying, is we have also resistance, 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 giving us this little downtrend right here. And technically the other day, I think it was like yesterday or the day before, we broke that trend line going sideways. So after we break a trend, I like watching the top, I like watching the bottom. Right now it looks like we're testing the top, and in my opinion, we could be possibly on the verge of a breakout. I just wanted to make a video real quick. I'll probably make a video this afternoon. I'll try to. I was kind of hoping that it'd break out or like, you know, be a clearer breakout, but it does look like we're bouncing in between these two trend lines, and it does look like we're testing the top. I'd rather be testing the top than be testing the bottom. This pattern does almost look like a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, but we'll have to wait and see. Like I said, it is testing the resistance. I have a position at .339. I bought a pretty decent position at .339. I also have a limit order at .294 to buy though. If we go down, I wouldn't mind if we bought some more. I have a pretty decent sized position at .339. So if we start going up, then I'll be shooting for this one, for this position right here, if that makes sense. Just trying to dollar cost average and have split up my positions and stuff like that. That's kind of my approach to this, but that's what I'm thinking. I'll try to make another video after work. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to watch the last video, check it out right here. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.